now going downstairs to eat some breakfast. Mouthwash. It's basically empty. So we're about to leave from Evansville, Indiana, the hotel, and we're probably gonna roll to Evansville now. At the USS LST 325 Museum, and we're gonna check a warship. This is the warship right here. This one.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone. I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing a show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what she.
So we're here at this Star Buffet.
Rise and shine.
And we're here basically eating like Chinese food. We just about finished, got some ice cream, about to head out. About to get on I-69 and about to go home. It's gonna be a 3-hour trip.
Spooky, spooky, spooky.
We drove the Gadi here hard, so she won't find out. Oh, shoot, a guy just looked famous.
Picture कर ला, picture कर ला, picture कर ला, picture कर ला, picture कर ला. बस बस. रुक जा, उधर बस हो. रुक जा. पास कर ला के. इधर.
Crying. Accomplished.
Mission accomplished.